Hey guys, Michael Net Pro. Thanks so much for joining me here on this new video. As you can see, just had a sale come in for $1,373 with the Wi-Fi Millionaire System. As I always tell you guys, you can have $1,000 days. Can you imagine it? Can you imagine it? Okay. So guys, I can show you multiple streams of income. I'm gonna save that for this video, but understand there are multiple streams of income coming in. You want to make sure, guys, that you don't really have all your eggs in one basket, that you actually diversify and have multiple streams of income. Guys, you know already that I make a lot of money with PayPal. I make a lot of money with this particular Wi-Fi millionaire system, as well as some other accounts. And guys, I want you to have the same success. In order for you to get started, you're going to need to click the link below, okay? Once you do that, I'll send you out the information immediately, okay? It'll be delivered to you within minutes. Once you get the information, I want you to click the link, watch the video. The presentation is going to explain everything to you, how you get started with the 21-step system. That is the Wi-Fi millionaire system. It works from anywhere on the globe where there is a stable Wi-Fi connection, okay? So again, how would you like to make $1,373 in one day? Is that nuts? Just $373 in one day would be great. $1,373. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, for all you who are joining up with Wi-Fi Millionaire, you're having great success. I know it already. It proves it by the success that I'm having, because that means you're having success because you're following underneath my footsteps. So guys, thanks so much for joining up. All of you inside the system, continue to keep on keeping on. I know you're learning great things. You're learning powerful secrets that we cannot expose because we signed a non-disclosure agreement. So, guys, understand there's only so much that we can say is limited. You have to get on the inside. The link's below. All right, Michael Net Pro. I'm out.